Okay, so now what I'm going to do is show you how to make the SketchUp logo. And this is the SketchUp logo right here. You can also see it up here. I'm going to show you how to 3D model it. So the first tool I'm going to use is the rectangle tool, which is under shapes. Again, you've got rectangle, rotated rectangle, circle, polygon. I'm going to use the rectangle. Click on it, and then I'm going to go to the origin. I'm going to click on the origin, 0, 0, 0. And I'm not going to release this yet. I'm going to keep pulling it in and out. And if you look down on the right hand side at the bottom, you can see the dimensions, and they change as I pull my square or rectangle in and out. I'm not going to release it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my keyboard. I'm going to type 3, 3, no spaces. And if you look down at the bottom right again, it shows 3, 3, and I'm going to hit enter, and it creates a 3 by 3 inch square for me, which is what I want. And I'm going to use the scroll wheel on my mouse to scroll in, or you can use the zoom tool if you'd like to. Zoom extents will kind of take you in kind of far, but and then if I need to pan, this is a pan tool, and basically what it does is just like a hand grabbing my screen to give it a better area for me. Okay, so now I've got my square, and what I want to use now is the push-pull tool, and I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to click on my square. If you notice, it gets kind of hatchy when you mouse over it, so I'm going to click on that. And again, if you look at the instructor, it's telling you what to do over on the side, and I can push or pull this up or down. I'm going to start pulling it up. I'm not going to click. It's just going to allow me to pull up, and I'm going to type in 3. Again, if you look down at the bottom right hand corner, it's telling me my distance is 3, so I'm going to click 3. And now I've got a 3 by 3 by 3 cube, and that's what I want. And next I'm going to go back to the rectangle. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go up to the upper corner of my cube. I'm going to click. I'm going to drag in, and this time I'm going to hit 2, 2 and hit enter. And now I've got a 2 by 2 square on top of my cube. So what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to use the push-pull tool again. And if you notice, it separates these two shapes that you've got on top of your cube. I want to click on the square, and I'm going to push this one down, and I'm just going to go down a distance of 1. So I'm just going to type in 1, hit enter, and now I've got a cutout from that area of 1 inch down. Okay, now I'm going to go back to the rectangle tool again. I'm going to go back to this corner, click, and I'm going to drag it in, and I'm going to type in 1, 1, and go back to the push-pull tool again. And again, if you notice anything I scroll over, it changes to that dotted type of pattern. And I'm going to click on this square, push it down, type in 1 again, and now I have the SketchUp logo. And you can use this orbit tool right here to drag it around. Just click and drag, and you basically got what looks like the SketchUp logo.